the lip. He was very lucky, actually, for that thing to trundle forward at all.
Okay, that'll work, John.
Might be a middle gap wedge thing. Oh no.
A lot of sand.
Oh no, I think his feet slipped. Oh.
8 iron.
Oh, he shanked it. Oh, look at that line, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, boy, is he out of sync. That even sounded. It was a tenor sound, wasn't it, Peter? Oh.
For par for Simpson. Oh my goodness.
Yeah, so it's a lot of fiddling.
Back to 3. Well, he's made 2 birdies to start. Having a great day. Patrick Reed.
That wasn't a great chip, though.
I had to say it, didn't I?
Well, tape on the right wrist is never a good sign for a golfer.
And this isn't a good sign where this ball is going either. It's green to work with. It's going away. He played a similar shot like this on 2 with a great result, but not that one.
From about 3.5 feet. Oh, man, he killed that one. That was a little down the hill.
Nice pitch, Ernie. Who's your Taylor?
And Peter, that's wet.
And this is also his 3rd shot at the par 3. He's making a mess of this hole.
Rahm go out to his play, his second from the bunker at 8.
Yeah, short 4, right to left, and obviously got that little fat.
Boy, there's a lot of break played.
Wow.
That length putt, Nick.
And the uphill par 3 finds Ernie Els on the tee. Positions of his golf swing got a little bit off.
Everything shaved right of the screen to run down the hill if you hit it that far.
Yeah, this is going well right toward the gallery.
Always liked it here. Played here many, many years now.
At the 11th.
Hold it. Stay in.
Must be tight.
Oh, come on.
It's gone.
No, it's wet. JR, that is John Rahm's ball.
And Luke List just in that thick rough outside the bunker. And probably a bad break to hang up like that. If it
Earlier, Gary, so many shots uphill here. But for the big hitting Robert Garrigus, just a short iron.
Ooh. Steadied things, though, the last couple of holes. This one, though.
Yeah, this is well left.
We're going the other way now. And it's dark and mysterious in there. So that one was all about strike, wasn't it? That was all about technique. Saw what he's doing. Very important to read this like a putt, but then you're not meant to slice his legs off. Wow. Oh.
Huge swings, practice swings.
Yeah, got a little bit of ground first, a little bit of bounce early.